So, hello friend. Today I am going to tell you some SEM tricks how to operate. So, this is the scan speed. If you increase the speed, that means that scan will be slow and that image will be coming very clearly. And this is signal. Here you can set the signal like in lanes, secondary electron mode, backscattered mode, and this is the sample holder top view. You can see one beautiful EBSD images of the sample. You can see the grains, big grains in different color. Electron backscattered diffraction. In this mode, you can get this kind of images. And for that, you have to prepare your sample well polished. We will describe how to polish your sample for the SEM spectro electron microscope. You can see the different grain in different color and different phase orientation. This is one of the student of IIT Kharagpur make in his lab. So you can see how beautifully he polished his sample, and that CI value means confidential index, that should be greater than 0.1. If it is coming like 0.98, then it will be the super polished sample and you can get this kind of images. This is called the EBSD, electron backscattered diffraction. You can see clearly how the scan is going on. This is still not completed yet. It is going on. And it is depending on the step size. Suppose 0.1, then it will take more time depending on the area you choose. See, it is not completed yet. That whole screen up to that much, that color, up to that it is completed. Now its scan is going on. So the step size and the area of the images, that actually depending on the time. If you want to do more time, then your image will be scanning very slowly, then your image also quality also very good. So now see, this is the big area he is taking now. So almost this is 5 mm. You can see all the grains and different orientation of the grain in different color. This is the sample mounting on a mounting plate. This is prepared. You can do SEM as well as electron back scatter diffraction or EBSD. You can see how beautiful